Hi everyone, welcome to the new session. In today's session, we are going to work out on three very important terms that we are going to use more often uh, in in calculus. Okay, so whenever it comes to represent the domain, we use union, right? So also when we do or when we study mathematical reasoning like sets or probability or permutation combinations, then we have to study these terms too. Okay, so let's discuss these three terms: union, intersection, and complement, one by one. Let's start with the union. Okay, so first of all, union, it is represented by the Greek symbol. It is represented by the symbol u. Okay, so it is represented by the symbol u. Okay, so this is the symbol for union. Okay, and how do we read it? For example, if I have to find union of A and B, so I read it as A union B, okay, or A or B. Okay, so union, it is represented by the English word or. Okay, so, or it means A union B or A or B. Understand? I hope this thing is clear to you. Okay, now let's see what does union means. Okay, let's assume here that I have two sets. Okay, let's say that here I have set A. Okay, this is my set A and this is my set B. Okay, so here in set A, set A contains the students number who like math. So here I have student number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, they like math. And set B, I have student number who like science. Okay, who like science. Okay, now I am interested in finding out A union B. Okay, A union B, A union B. Okay, so I am interested in finding out A union B or set of the elements or set of the students number who like math or science, right? So set of students number who like math or science. Okay, so it's going to be the students number who are in set A, in set B, or in both the sets A and B. Okay, so I have to take all the elements that are in set A or in the set B or both the sets A and B. Okay, so here let's see here, because we are doing it for math union science. So first I have to take all the elements that are in set A, means all the students number who like math. Okay, so here first of all, before doing this, here we can represent this set as A equals, sorry, this is set A, means set of students number who like math. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and here this is set B, and the elements in it are 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so if I have to find A union B, so it means that it means the set of elements that are in set A, in set B, or both the sets A and B. Okay, I hope you understand it. Okay, so A union B means that it contains all the elements that are in set A, okay, are in set B, are in both the sets A and B. Okay, so here A union B, it's going to be all the elements in set A, 1, 2, 3, 4. All the elements in set B, 5, 6, 7, 8, are all the elements that are in both the sets. So we don't have any common elements that are present in both the sets, okay, or that we don't have any elements that are common to both the sets. So here A union B, it's going to represent these elements, or it's going to represent these student numbers. Okay, so this means that A union B, it is the set of students number who like math or science. Okay, so let's change this scenario a bit. For example, see here, if I now if I change situation a bit, or what I will do here, for example, say this is my set A, okay, and this is my set B. Okay, now set A has 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so set A means it contains the student number who like math, and then set B for science, right? So here 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now if I have to find A union B in this case, because now I have few elements that are common to both the sets. Okay, I have two students number that are common to both the sets, right? So here A union B, it represents all the elements that are in set A. So in set A, what are the elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and this is in set A. Okay, and in set B, 6, 7, 8, and the elements that are common to both A and B means 4, 5. Okay, so this is going to be A union B, means that it's going to contain the set of all the students number who like math or science. So I hope this thing is clear to you. Simple. Here we take all that is in set A or in set B. Understand? Okay, so you have to take all the elements that are in set A and also that are present in set B. Okay, in set A, set B are in both the sets. Okay, so that gives us the union. Okay, now if I have to represent, now see here, if I have to represent this thing, so here I can say that A union B, okay, A union B, so it's going to represent the set of elements, right? Set of elements such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B, right? So that what union means. I hope this thing is clear to you. It is very easy. Okay, so here this union, it means OR. Okay, now let's switch over to the next one, that is intersection. Now intersection is very easy. First of all, it is denoted by this symbol, inverted U. This is your symbol. Okay, now the meaning of intersection, because see here, union means or, intersection means, it means intersection, it means and. Understand? It means and. Okay, for example, what does it mean? For example, if someone asks you to find A intersection B, then what does it mean? It means they are more interested in finding the set of elements that are set of elements, they are more interested in finding the set of elements who like math and science, because I'm talking about that context before we have taken the example of math and science. So here, okay, so I will talk about it later. So first see it here, it's going to contain all the elements such that it's going to contain uh, the elements which belongs to set A and set B. Okay, what does it mean? See here, for example, I have two sets again. I have two sets, set A and set B. Okay, so sorry. So here I'm going to take two sets. This is my set A, students who like math, and set B, students who like science. Students number who like math, set A, and set B, students number who like science. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, then here 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now if I have to find A intersection B, it means I want to find set of all the students number who like math and science. Okay, and this thing is going to represent the region that is common to both the sets, or it's going to represent those elements that are common to both the sets. Okay, so see here, this is my set A, this is my set B. So the region or the set of elements that is common to both the sets is this. Okay, is this. So it's going to be 5 and 9. I hope you understand it. This is very easy. Okay, so it may also happen that you are given with two sets. For example, A, students number who like maths, and set B, student number who like science, 4, 5, 6. Now if someone asks you to find A intersection B, means you have to find set of all the students number who like math and science. In this case, this is null, right? Because we don't have any students number that is common to both A and B, or that are common to both A and B. So here it is null. In that case, we call A and B are disjoint sets. Okay, disjoint sets means that there are no elements present in A or present in B that are common to both the sets. Okay, but you don't have to, I'm just talking about this because it came to my mind. Okay, you just, when you see the intersection, it simply means that we have to find all the elements that are common to both the sets. Okay, so here I can say that A intersection B, so it uh, it represents the elements, it represents the set of elements that set of elements which are common to both the sets A and B. Okay, so I hope you understand it. Okay, and I hope this is visible to you. All right, now come to the next one. The next one is complement. Okay, now see here. Okay, a complement of a set is denoted by the dash. For example, if the given set is A, okay, for example, if the given set is A and we have to find the complement of the given set A, then the complement, it will be represented by A dash. Okay, or in some cases, sometimes you may see that it is also represented by A bar, sometimes it is also represented by A C. Okay, so but more often you will see this one, but if you see these symbols too, so don't get confused, it means the same. Okay, so here uh, to find the complement of the set, first what we can do is that we can take, okay, here let's say that let's say that U is the universal set. Okay, universal set. Okay, so let's say that U is the universal set, and your A is the subset of U. Okay, and A is the subset of U. So U is the universal set, means U is the bigger set, and A is subset of U. For, let's say that this is the bigger set. Okay, this is the bigger set U, and A is a subset of U, means A is a smaller set that is present within this bigger set. Okay, so if I have to find, this is A. Okay, if I have to find complement of A, so I would say it will contains all the elements that belongs to U, right, and that does not belong to A. Understand? So if you have to find the complement of A, it means that it will contain all the elements, all the members of U, except the members of A. Okay, what does it mean? Let's see here. This is my, okay. For example, this is my year 11. Okay, in year 11, I have these students number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, these three students, okay, these three students number, uh, now this is my year 11, and this set, A set, represents the students number who like math. Okay, so who likes math. Okay, so here first of all I can say that this is my year 11, so this is the universal set. So here it will contain all the students number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? And then I have this subset A, which contains all the students number who like math, and it is represented by 4, 5, 6. Okay, so if I have to find the complement of A, so it is represented by AM dash, and it's going to be all the members of your universal set except the members of A. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 7, 8, 9. Understand? So this is going to be the complement. Okay, or in other words, I can say that complement of a set, it contains all the members of universal set except the set. Okay, let's say complement of AM, so it's going to contain all the member of the universal set except the member of A. Understand? So this is what complement means. So I hope these things are clear to you, and I will see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.